Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I am going to tell you how you can use ChatGPT with Python to create your own AI-based application. Guys, you know about the ChatGPT. It's a open source project by OpenAI. You can say it's a revolutionary technology. Yes, have a buzz around the world. So here we will discuss how we can create own chatbot system using the ChatGPT API. So guys, you need to go to OpenAI website. Actually, currently there is a beta version of ChatGPT is launched. So you need to go OpenAI and need to sign up. After sign up, you need to log into the OpenAI beta server. After login, you will start using the Chat GPT. Actually, you have account like this. Quick start. Actually, here you will go to the documentation. There's an introduction, and then go to the quick start tutorial. Actually, there is a tutorial to use the API using the Node.js and using the Python. So this is the Node.js, and then we need to uh, check the Python tab here. So actually, there is a URL to the clone OpenAI clone to use the ChatGPT here, or you can use the download the zip file here. Then after downloading the zip file and then unzipping the file, need to go to the that project directory and then need to uh, set the Open API key. Actually, the Open API key exists in your account. Like here, you can see view API key. Then you will get the API key, and then you can use the system here. So after saving the API, you can run the application. Actually, for running the application, there is some requirement for running the application. So you can run this command pip install requirements. It will install all the modules, Python modules, and then run the Flask application, and then use this URL to access the system. So, guys, this is the steps to access the system. So now, actually, Kickstar project suggests three names for the animal. Actually, this is the uh, suggested three name for animal by the ChatGPT. So it's a AI-based application. After download the file, we will unzip and we have a project. Actually, I have created a ChatGPT directory in which we have keep the all files here, like you can see here. So now we will open this project in VS Code here. Like this is the project here in VS Code. You can see, and now we see the code. Actually, here you can see the main file is app.py, and so here we are importing the OS, all these. And before this, we will actually you have seen this. We need to run this command. So actually here, like going to the chat gpt, then we need to run this pip install, and it will install all the required modules here, Python modules here. After installing this, we need to run the application here. Actually, we need to run the application. We will run using the flask run. We need to run the flask run. It will start the running application, and the application will be accessed where it will be available here on this. Like copy this, and when we open here, the application will be available here. And now when we type something and generate name, click the button, then it will generate like Super Whisker, the Mighty Mouser, it will generate three names. Like again, for dog, it will generate three names. Actually, these are like Super Tail, Mighty Paw, Power Push, all these. So this is the our Flask Python Flask application using the chat gpt. So now we'll see the code here. Actually, the main file is app.py, in which OpenAI module imported, also import OS module, and then imported Flask, redirect, render template require. All these modules are needed for the application. So now we'll create the Flask app here. And then OpenAI.api. Actually, we are here getting the OpenAI API key means ChatGPT API key here that's already saved in env file. Actually, these are saved in a env file. Actually, here is a step here like to set the keys here like here env example. Actually, we need to you can rename this example file to env and then save the secret key, create the secret key and save there, and then uh, that will be get using the why the key here this the key in which the API key saved, and you can use this. And then we have a root application here like uh, get for the method get post we have a root like here like this. For this we have a get and post, and then we have a diff index means we have a method index in which we are checking if the request method is post, then we are getting the animal form animal, and then we are passing this animal to like we have open completion of case, and here we have a model this, and then just prompt passing that animal and getting the response. Here we have a response, and then we redirect to the index means to the index, and we have a result respond the choices. These are values we are passing here, and also here we have a result. We are getting the result here, and request.arg.get the result, and then we are rendering the template index.html and passing the result. Now we will see the index.html. Actually, these are in templates file. So here index.html in which you can see here the actually we are passing here like results. So in which we will see the result here. You can see this is the result. Actually, here we are checking if the result exists, then we are displaying the result here. Also, you are seeing this form here. So this is the form here created in which input type text, name animal, and then submit button with generate name. Also, we are here calling the uh, CSS files. You can see the CSS file here static directory is main.css here. So this is the CSS file. So here we are displaying the results. So when also we have a method generate prompt. Actually here generate prompt passing an animal, then it's getting the result from here and passing and returned like when suppose we have passed this animal name cat, then it's displaying the result here. So it will be uh, getting you and also formatting from the here. So actually this method is called here and then prompt here. So finally the response is here. So this is working. So actually guys, it's very interesting, and you can say not very difficult to use the chat gpt API with Python. So guys, you have seen in the steps, it's a very easy step. Just sign up to the open API and then log in and then access the section and generate the API key, and then can use the quick start section like going to the quick start tutorial, then build your application and start using the Python to create your own AI based chatbot. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and will try at your end to create your own AI based bots using the chat GPT. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. So guys, don't forget to like and share this video and also subscribe our channel. Thank you.